Hello students, Sairam. Let us continue with the same chapter, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. And today we will learn to convert ratios to percents, and then we will understand cost price, selling price, profit or loss as percentage, and then we will understand increase or decrease as percent. And then we will do exercise 8.2, question number 9 and 10 which was left, and exercise 8.3, first 3 questions we will solve. So let us start. First we will understand this example. Rahul bought a sweater and saved rupees 20 when a discount of 25% was given. What was the price of the sweater before the discount? So this example is there in your textbook. You can open your textbook and you can go through the question. Now here you will see the discount of 25% is given. After discount of 25% was given on the cost price, he could save rupees 20. So how you are going to write 25% of the original price? Original price means cost price, and is equal to, this is the saving, rupees 20 he saved. After getting discount of 25% on the cost price, he could save rupees 20. So next statement will be 25%. In place of we will write multiplication of the price is equal to 20. And then next step, 25%, you know 25% means 25 upon 100, or 25 into 1 upon 100, that is 25 upon 100 into price. Price means the price, the cost price is equal to 20. And the next step, this we will reduce 25 and 100, both the numbers are divisible by 5. As you know, 5 5s are 25, and then 5 20s are 100. And then again you can reduce it more, then you will get 1, 5 1s are 5, and then you know this 5 4s are 20. So you will reduce it to the simplest form. So you will get 1 upon 4 into price is equal to 20. And then to get the price, that means the cost price, what was the price before the discount? So that we have to find out. So here we will write price, and this we will bring it to the right side. So when you will bring it to the right side, 1 upon 4 will become 4 upon 1. And here you will give multiplication sign. And then 20 into 4 will be 80. So the price of the sweater is rupees 80. Now based on this, we will do the next question of exercise 8.2, that is question number 9 of exercise 8.2. Meeta saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Now we have to find out Meeta's salary. So we will write, let Meeta's salary be rupees X. And what is given in the question? In the question, you know 10% of her salary is, she saved it. So 10% of her salary is equal to rupees 400. That is her saving. So let us write in this way, 10% of X. X is means her salary. X means her salary. So 10% of X, and that is equal to 400. 400 is her saving. And then we will solve it. 10% will be 10 upon 100 of, we will write multiplication in place of, and then X as it is equal to 400. And then 10 upon 100, when you reduce this 0 will be cut. So you will get 1 into X, and 1 into X is X. And here in denominator 10 will be there. On reducing this to 0 you will cut, 10 is left in the denominator. So you will get X upon 10 is equal to 400. And then what you will do? You will cross multiply this, because we have to find out the value of X, which is her salary. So X is equal to 400 into 10. And 400 into 10 is rupees 4,000. Therefore, Meeta's salary is rupees 4,000. Now question number 10 of exercise 8.2. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. how many matches did they win? That means out of 20 matches, they won 25% of 20 matches. So we will have to find out how many matches did they win. So we will write like this. Number of games won is equal to 25% of 20. And 25% is 25 upon 100 multiplied by 20, or in place of multiplied and then 20, and then we are going to reduce this. So when you will reduce this, 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100, and then this 2 will be cut, 20, here you will get 20, and then only here in the numerator 5 is left. So answer is 5. Therefore the team won 5 matches. Now next is again another example. Example number 14. Reena's mother said to make idlis, you must take 2 parts rice and 1 part urad dal. What percentage of such a mixture would be rice and what percentage would be urad dal? So whenever we cook something, whenever we make something, there is a ratio of the ingredients which we add. So here what is made? Idlis are made. And you know, when we make idli, we keep ratio of rice and urad dal. So here the ratio is 2:1. You can see here 2 parts of rice and 1 part of urad dal. So we'll write like this. Ratio will be written like this. Rice is to urad dal, that is 2:1. And then total parts, you will add these 2 parts. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So total is 3. Now how to find out percentage of each? Here we will make 2 columns. You can see here this is of urad dal and this one is of rice. So for rice, how many parts we have taken from 3? 2 parts. So we'll write 2 upon 3 multiplied by 100%. And then we'll multiply. 2 into 100 is 200 upon 3. And then you know, when you'll divide 200 by 3, here you can see here, you will get 66. 66 and the remainder is 2 upon 3%. And you will write here percent. Similarly for urad dal also, we will write here 1 upon 3, because here you can see the proportion of urad dal is 1 out of 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, 1 part. So we'll write 1 upon 3 multiplied by 100%. And then we'll work out 1 into 100, 100 upon 3. And when you divide 100 by 3, you will see here it is divided. You can see here you will get 33, 1 upon 3%. Now based on this example, we will do some questions of exercise 8.3, the next exercise. So this is convert each part of the ratio to percentage. You can see here they have given first one, A part 3:1. So here first we will add both the parts. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And then children, we will make 2 columns. In the first column we'll write 3 and here we will write 1. That means we are taking the first, this 3 here and this second part here. Okay. And then we will have to find out the percentage. So we'll write percentage. So to find out percentage, first we'll write this 3 and this is the total part which will be written in the denominator into 100%. And then we'll reduce. 100 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So when you will divide it, here you will get 50 and here you will get 2. And then again we will reduce it. You know 2 25s are 50. So 3 multiplied by 25 is 75%. So now in the same way here on the other side, here you will see 1 is there. We have taken the second, this part, first 1 upon, now total part is 4 here. So 1 upon 4 into 100%. And then same way we are going to reduce this. Both are divisible by 2. So here you will get 2, here you will get 50. And then 50 ones are 50 divided by 2. And 50 divided by 2 is 25%. Now the next one is 2:3:5. This is the B part. Now first we will find out the total parts. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. And now you can see here 3 columns are made. So you people also will do the same thing in your notebook. Here 2, here 3, here 5. So first part here 2 is given. So we'll write 2 to find out the percentage. 2 upon 10 multiplied by 100%. And then we will reduce. You can reduce these two numbers also or this 2 also. So here these two are reduced. 10 tens are 100. So you will get 2 into 10, that is 20%. So in both the cases you will get the same answer, that is 20%. Now next is 3. So we'll write 3 upon, this is 3 and this is the total part, 3 upon 10 into 100%. And then we will reduce it. 10 tens are 100 and 3 into 10 is 30%. Similarly, now for 5 parts also we'll find out the percentage. So it will be 5 upon 10. This is the total part, 5 upon 10 into 100 and then 10 tens are 100. 5 into 10 is 50%. So this way you can find out, you can convert ratio to percentage. Now the third part of the question, 1 is to 4. So this ratio also we have to convert it to percentage. So total part is 1 plus 4, that is 5. Now here 2 columns are made. Here 1 is written, here 4 is written. So percentage first part 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5 into 100. And then this 2 you will reduce, you will get 20. So 20%. Similarly, now for this part also we'll write 4 upon 5 into 100%. And then we'll reduce. 5, 20, here 20 will come when you'll reduce this by 5. 25 is 100. So we'll write here 20 and 20 into 4 is 80%. Now next is, what is profit or loss percentage? So let us understand this. Suppose I have a Coke can. And now here you see I buy it for rupees 20. Suppose if I go to the shop and the cost price of the Coke is 20 rupees and I sell it for rupees 25. So here the cost price is rupees 20 and selling price is rupees 25. Now here when you compare this two price, you can see the selling price is more than cost price. So here since SP is greater than CP, so we have learned this in 6th standard that when SP is greater than CP, that means there will be a profit. So there is a profit here. So we have profit. So what is profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So with what is selling price here? Selling price here is 25. So in place of selling price here we'll write 25. And in place of cost price we will write here 20. And then we will subtract. So we will get our profit. So profit is 5 rupees. So my profit is rupees 5. Now this is another condition. If I buy it for rupees 20 and sell it for rupees 18. So you can see the number has reduced. From 20 it is 18. So here cost price will be rupees 20 and selling price will be rupees 18. Now here which one is greater? Cost price. So we'll write, since CP is greater than SP, so we know that when cost price is more than selling price, that means there will be a loss. There is a loss. So we have loss here. And loss will be equal to CP minus SP. And CP is 20 rupees and SP is 18. So 20 minus 18 is 2. So my loss is here rupees 2. So now we will understand how to find out profit percentage and loss percentage. So let us understand this. See, to find out profit percentage, we'll do like this, and for loss percentage, we'll do in this way. So let us understand, cost price here was 20 rupees and selling price is equal to rupees 25. So we made a profit of 5 rupees. So how to find out profit percent? This is the formula for profit percent. So we'll write profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. So how much profit we have made? We made a profit of 5 rupees. So in place of profit we will write 5 and the cost price is rupees 20. So we'll write here in denominator 20. So 5 upon 20 into 100%. And then we will reduce it. This 2 you can reduce, 5 4s are 20 and then you will reduce this 2 numbers. So on reducing the numbers, you will get answer 25%. Now children, in the same way, now we will see how to find out loss percent, because in this next condition we have made a loss. So we'll write your cost price 20 rupees, selling price was rupees 18, so there was a loss. Loss will be CP minus SP, and CP is equal to 20 and SP is 18, so there was a loss of 2 rupees. So now this is the formula for loss percentage. Same like profit percent, here profit we have written and here we will write loss. Everything you can see is the same. Here also cost price, here in the denominator also will write cost price into 100%. So now it will be loss upon cost price multiplied by 100%. Now in place of loss, what we'll write? We'll write here 2, because the loss was 2 rupees. So here 2, and the cost price was how much? Cost price here was 20. So 2 upon 20 multiplied by 100%. And now we will reduce this. 2 tens are 20, and then again 10 tens are 100. So we got a loss of 10%. Here we made a loss of 10%, and here in this condition we have made a profit percent of 25. Here profit percent is 25 and here loss percentage is 10%. So these two formulas you will write in your notebook. These are the formulas which you have to write, like how you used to do last year. You have to write all the formulas on one page. So you will write this formula for profit percent and loss percentage on one side of your notebook. Now next is question number 1, which is based on profit percent and loss percent. So let us do that. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find profit percent or loss percent. So this is the first part of the question number 1. First we have done question number 2. Now we are doing question number 1. Gardening shears bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. So here cost price is equal to rupees 250 and selling price is rupees 325. Now you can compare the number here, compare the values. Selling price is bigger than cost price. So there is a profit, and the profit is SP minus CP. So you will subtract, you will get rupees 75. So we have to find out profit percent, because in the question is given either you will get a profit or loss, and if it is a profit we will find out profit percent. So we will write down the formula first. Profit upon CP into 100%. So in place of profit we will write 75, here 75, and CP is 250 into 100%. And then we will reduce these two values. Both the values will, this 0 we can cut, and then this 2 you will reduce. You will get 15 upon 5 into 10%. And then you will reduce this, you will get 3 into 10%. And at the end you will get 30%. So profit percent is 30 here, 30%. Now B part, a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. So here also there is a profit. So profit is SP minus CP, 13,500 minus 12,000. So we will subtract, you will get rupees 1,500. And the profit percent is profit upon CP into 100%. So in place of profit we will write here 1,500. And the cost price is here 12,000 into 100%. And then we'll reduce it. So on reducing you will get 15, this 0 will be cut, and this 0 will be cut. So you'll get 15 upon 12 into 10. And then again you can reduce this. Both are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. So 5 upon 4 into 10. And then again we will reduce this by 2. We can divide both the numbers by 2. You will get 5 upon 2 into 5%. And then 25 upon 2. Then when you divide 25 by 2, you will get 12.5%. Now C part will be a homework. D part I am showing you. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So here first you will write cost price 250. Selling price rupees 150, and then here you will compare. Here you will see CP is more than SP. So CP is greater than SP. So that means there is a loss, and loss is CP minus SP. and then we will substitute the value rupees 250. CP was 250, so we'll write 250 minus 150, SP is 150, and then we'll subtract 100. And now we will use this formula. Loss percentage is loss upon CP into 100%. And loss is 100 upon 250 into 100%. 0, 0 will be cut, and then you will reduce this 2 by 5. You will get 2 upon 5 into 100%. And then this also again we will reduce this by 5. 5 20 is 100, and then 2 into 20 is 40%. Children, this is all you'll try to solve on your own, and then you will check whether you are getting this answer or not. Now next is an example. So let us first understand the example, then based on this we will do one exercise question. A school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. What is the percent increase? So we have to find out percent increase. Now number of games won this year is equal to 6, and number of games won last year was 4. So whatever is given first we will write that. Now there is an increase. You can see this year how many more they have won? 2 more, that is 6 minus 4. So we'll write like this. Increase in number of games won is equal to 6 minus 4. You compare and then you subtract two games they have won more than last year. So there is an increase. So percentage increase we have to find out. So for this we will write increase in number of games won upon number of games won last year. So how many this time they have got, like they have won more, that is 2. 2 upon 4. Number of games won last year was 4. So here we will write 4. 2 upon 4 into 100%. And then you will reduce it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here you can see 1 upon 2 is written into 100. And then this 2 again you reduce, you will get 50. So 50%. So percent increases 50%. That means there is an improvement in their performance. Now based on this, we'll do one exercise question. We'll ask question number 3 of 8.3 exercise. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. So here we have to find out percentage decrease. So we'll write like this. Initial population was how much? It was 25,000. And then final population 24,500. So there is a decrease. You will subtract, and here you will write decrease is equal to 500. You can see here 500. And then we have to find out percent decrease. So to find out percentage decrease, we will write first decrease. How much decrease here? 500. And we'll have to write the initial population. Always remember, here in denominator we have to write the initial population. So here 25,000 into 100. And then you know what to do. We will reduce this. This 2 0 will cut. And then by 5 it will be divided. You can reduce it. And then when you will divide this, you will get finally 2% as the answer. So percentage decrease is 2%. Now children, you have these 2 questions as homework today from exercise 8.3. This is the C part which you have to do. You have to first find out profit or loss in the transaction, and then you have to find out if it is a profit, you will find profit percent. If it is a loss, you will find out loss percent. This is second question, where here this is the ratio given. C part we have done today. A, B, C, all the 3 parts we have done. Now D part is your homework. So you have to convert this ratio to percentage. So that's all for today. Thank you. Take care.